escorted by our Honorable Councilor, Honorable Jojo Roble, representing the Mayor Ramon Nito Dorano III. From DILG, our very own officer, Ma'am Gemma Bermoy. From GCash, now with the FSP, Sir Financial Service Providers, Sir Ronnie Buhawi and Deandra Mayoy.
In the sky reveals the beauty and the night. The city where joy reigns.
Also welcoming our city government department heads.
Majestic mountains are calling, lush green forests are captivating. The clear blue waters deep and wide.
A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Our HR officer, Ma'am Donna Ganzon, Attorney Yeda of Legal Office, Sir Ramon of Planning, Sir Ronnie of Peso, and Mabel of Kayaso. Please help me welcome as well the partners of Palenque Plus PH, our financial service providers. BPI, Palawan Pay, Go Time, Land Bank, Pay Maya, PNB, and Security Bank, Metro Bank, RCBC, BDO. A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Ato silang sugato sa masipang Pakpak Tanawanon. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please rise for the opening prayer to be followed by the Philippine National Anthem and then the Now City Hymn and Bagong Pilipinas Hymn.
Magpabiling kang mauswago, malang pusong nagabayan sa among mga pangandoy, sa bilihon mong baybayon, nahimugso ang among mga danggo, gigisog sa panahon di amo mahal, aron unya pangod mamunga, kami magpabiling maampingon sa imong kinaiyahan, panaminan sa among kaliwan, nga kami maghandog sa kanunay, kang bathala kita magpasalamat sa grasyang atong sa maglipay kitang katauhan, sa mauswago na tunggang bayan. Sa maglipay kitang katauhan, sa mauswago na tunggang bayan.
Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa'y mo'y kinakailangan. Tayo na magtulong-tulong, mapaunlarin ang mahal na
Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong, napaunlarin ang mahal nating bayan.
panahon na ng pagbabago, at ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat lang maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin.
Gawin ng pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso, magsikap ng mabuti at nang guminhawa tayo. Malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas.
Pinag-inang sariling atin, at nawala na ugaling, dahil sa sa'y masabi ng panahon na magbabago, at mamunan sa kahit anong larangan. Ang tagumpay ay karangalan, alay o ihandog natin sa bayan.
Ang ulit ng napatunayan ng Pilipino, ang husay at takas, kagandahan at talento, makipagpaligsahan kahit anong oras, ang bagong Pilipino, ang bagong Pilipinas. Pagbabago, buhay natin ay tuwing maaliwalas. Marami ang magandang bukas.
much. You may now take your seats. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the launching of the Palink URPH Plus program here in Danao City, Cebu. To officially kick off this morning's event, let us all give a warm welcome to the Danao City Performing Arts. A round of applause, please.
Gayon ka mo, gayon ka mo, gayon ka mo, gayon ka mo. Dayon ka mo sa dakbayan, diin maabi-abihon ang tanan, hiyas sa amihanan, garbo sa lalawigan, Danau larawan sa katilimbang malinawon ug maalagaron. Malipayong uhang mo, kinasing-kasing kaninyo, mamudango. Maglingaw-lingaw, daplin sa pantalan, ang tinap-anan ug kasahos atong pagasawan. Keseo ug kagungkong nga pinatapi, walay sama ang iyang kalami. Danau dakbayan nga mauswagon, Danau may kapistahang mabulukon, katawang nga mapugihon, malambuon ang kaugmaon. Danau pagkaanindog nga dapit, sa mga dumudoong kanunay nagsampit. Dayon kamo sa Danau, ang pag-amuma kaninyo, kanunay gilantaw. Libuto na to ang kalikupan, aninaw na to ang kadagatan. Sa baybayon kita maglulinghayaw, handumon ang matagutlo, dinhi sa Danau. Dinhi sa Danau, dayon kamo sa Danau, dayon kamo. Kitang tanan maglingaw-lingaw, dayon kamo. Nagkada iyang talan-awo, dayon kamo. Mapahiyumong Danawano, dayon kamo. Dayon kamo sa Danau, dayon kamo. Danau dakbayan nga mauswagon, Danau may kapistahang mabulukon, katawang nga mapugihon, malambon ang kaugmaon. Danau pagkaanindog nga dapit, sa mga dumudoong kanunay nagsangpit. Dayon kamo sa Danau, ang pag-amo kaninyo, kanunay gilantaw. Danau dakbayan nga mauswagon, Danau may kapistahang mabulukon, katawhan nga makugihon, malambuon ang kaugmaon. Danau pagkaanindog nga dapit, sa mga dumudoong kanunay nagsampit. Dayon kamo sa Danau, ang pag-amuma kaninyo, kanunay gilantaw. Dayon kamo sa Danau, dayon kamo sa Danau.
Hey! Palakpakan po! Thank you very much to Danao City Performing Arts! Ayan. Good morning po sa lahat. Mayong buntag! Sayuha, oy. Palakpakan sa nato mga kagalingon. Oy, kaya sayo ba kay tatanan, no? Pero labi na sa pinakasayog yun, ang ato ang very own palakpakan nato, na surprise yun tang tanan. Ato ang Regional Director Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Ma'am Ana Clara Ovil. Salamat, ma'am. No, again, ladies and gentlemen, again, thank you, Danao Performing Arts, for setting the tone for and energy for today's program, for beautifully showcasing in the spirit of Danao City, Cebu. To our esteemed guest, we are honored to welcome the delegation from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, led by the Visayas Regional Office Director, Ms. Ana Clara M. Ovil. Palakpakan po natin siya ulit. Along with the rest of the BSP family, maayong buntag, a warm welcome as well to the Visayas Public Sector Team Lead, Mr. Ronnie Buhawe, and his team, Ma'am Diandra Uy, of course, from G-Exchange, GCash, maayong buntag. And Senior Territory Solutions Lead, Ms. Christine Piralas, and her team from Maya, also here today. Good morning po. We also have the Field Sales Officer Vismin, Ms. Myla Asuke, and her team from BPI Bangko. Good morning po, ma'am. Regional Sales Manager, Mr. Michael Orio, and his team from Go Time. Mayong buntag. Also, Area Promotion Unit Supervisor Marketing Department, Mr. Jason De Leon and his team from Palawan Pay. Good morning, ma'am. And we also have here our team from Land Bank. Palakpakan po natin, Ma'am Jem Nakwa. Hello, ma'am. Ayan po. Nakapaka-importante ng Land Bank din no, dito sa amin sa Danao. Silingan ra. We also have our team from PNB, Philippine National Bank. Palakpakan po natin. We also have our BDO, We Find Ways. Palakpakan po natin. And we also have our team from RCBC. Palakpakan po natin. And our team from Metro Bank. Palakpakan natin. Also, Security Bank. Ayan po. Palakpakan po natin. Muna siguro dili mo mahibong anong daghang pulis, no? At anang bangko na nadiri karon. We also like to acknowledge, ladies and gentlemen, the presence of our beloved and very active LGU department heads. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ayan po, mga aktibo po namin ito. Very busy po sila, but andito po sila ngayon. No? So thank you so much, ma'am and sirs. Also from the City Government of Danao, Cebu, we are proudly led by our honorable officials. Atin lang po silang pasindunggan. No? City Mayor, Honorable Ramon Nito Dorano III. Palakpakan po natin. Vice Mayor, Honorable Carmen Remedios H. Durano. And our esteemed City Councilors, Honorable Roland M. Perez, Honorable Jose Calvin Tuades, Honorable Jose Thaddeus B. Roble Jr., Honorable Jaime Thomas Jr., Honorable Mary Glee Angeli H. Delicano, Honorable Gerard G. Almendras, Honorable Ramon M. Durano V, Honorable Don Roel G. Arias, Honorable Adano T. Roble, and Honorable Jose Dax C. Banson. Our SK Federation President, Honorable Mel Stephen E. Batugan, and ABC President, Honorable Paulino L. Vizcaino. Also joining us today, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we also have our employees and our vendors from our market. Palakpakan po natin lahat sila. Thank you so much for everyone for gracing the important milestone with your presence. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to officially welcome us all this morning, let us now hear the welcome message on behalf of our City Mayor, Mayor Ramon Nito Durano III. Please join me in welcoming one of our esteemed City Councilors, the Honorable Jose Thaddeus B. Roble Jr.
Maglingaw-lingaw daplin sa pantalan ang tinap-anan ug kasahos atong pagasawan keseo ug kagungkong nga pinatapi walay
I will do the preliminaries, Director. Director Ovil, from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, our DILG, si Ma'am Gemma, of course, ang mga kauban sa atuang and staff of the BSP as well as DILG, mga bangko sakto gitong giingon sa akong kaliwat nga daghang pulis dire kay ang bangko din natanan dire, no? Okay. So my task is to represent the city mayor. Now, the mayor is naglibog ko kung ningon siya, nausap ang unang-una, pag-una, sayo siya sa Capitol, kaya tuaman kami pong mga konsihal, adto pod mi nami Neo, or ingon man ganing DLG, sir, wala ka mo appeal dito. Paningil na ko ni ma'am, Ma'am She, gipaningil na ko ni ma'am nga, nganong na amang kadiri? But the mayor ordered me to represent for his behalf. So, ni ako din to welcome everybody. But, kining paling QR nga plus program, the Danao City has been preparing this for so many years already. The most important backbone or the blood vessel of this program is connectivity. And this is one of the pillars that the mayor, during his speech, yung programa sa amuang inaugural session, the connectivity. But we started it. Our cameras, we started 2017. Now we have cameras all over the city. In fact, namin gani may facial recognition who computes the percentage of probability of a person nga nasud sa database. So meaning, si police, isud niya ang picture, mo compute na siya o pila ka probability mo gawas dito sa operator nga 70% probability si Jojo Roblining sud. Wala mi misulti ma'am kung asa na dapit na butang. Security reasons. So naana since 2017. Now 2021, we started putting up multi-access towers. So we have 4 multi-access towers, and Mr. Roble is continuing to do that. And I think as of date, all over Danao City, of 42 barangays, we already have 8 na lang yun kabuk ang kuwang nga tauranan nato og access points. We are distributing free internet connections all over Danao City. As we are talking with RD, nga kung ang imong phone na-register din sa free Wi-Fi, yung adto kas Tugunon, isa of our barangay also, adto kag Santikan, automatically you will have your free internet. So, with or without the PLDT, or the Sun, Smart, or any other telcos, the Danao City is providing free internet for the people already. So this is the backbone of the Palengke QR, because without the internet, we cannot connect to the companies that is offering wallets. No? Gikan pud sa bangko, na naman tayo mga online, isod na ko sa wallet, kayo sa high careful man kayo ta. I was happy yesterday because I was observing there are lot of vendors, mga namuhunan, nga nag-attend, napuno ni nila ang basketball court. So nakita nato na ang efforts sa Danao City since 2021 na hinay-hinay na, because this is really the application of the backbone that we have installed already in the different areas of Danao City. So only in Danao City, ma'am, nang imong telepono, bisag asa ka, paduol lang kag 150 meters away from the barangay hall where the access point was installed, automatic na. Kung wala tay internet connection, kanira bang among backbone, bisag wala na siya internet, maka-video call me. Muadto lang ka sa barangay hall. Ginahinay nag-introduce sa SICTO office. Wala usa nag-introduce, but the infrastructure is ready already. That's why happy kami na dinhi gi-launch, and we are honored, Director. We are so honored na ikaw mismo, atong DILG, permanente gining naas, Ma'am Gemma, ikaw mismo ning anhi ka sa amua, because dinhi na makita ang return of investment of the city in providing connectivity all over Danao City. Ang among merkado, siguro nabantayan ninyo, ma'am, na sunog man to, and ongoing atong construction, nahibaw man ang taga-landbank ani, taga-uban pang mga institusyon nga among gikuhaan. Soon, next year, sometime as we discussed with our city engineer, Ma'am Rosette, she said by third quarter of next year, murag, hopefully, humana na siya. Nga to ang solar-powered market. Atong solar-powered na siya kay namtay partnership sa other countries as well. So, by then, we have time for legislation in which we will be requiring all vendors of the market and hopefully all other commercial institutions, we will be requiring them with a choice for the people, either to pay cash or to pay through wallet. So, the mayor, city mayor, as well as our vice mayor, is very keen on that matter because sooner or later, wala nagyod ka ng, kuyawan man lang ng mga tao ka nang naibag-o gani. If ever na gani bag-o, something bag-o, kuyawan, niya istorya-istorya, sus, na-hack ang akong account. kuyawan, negative ang pirming masud nila. But, usara man gid untay prinsipyo, alang gina-share ng imong OTP. Okay na gid unta. But anyway, I'm sure the SICTO or the City Information Communications Technology Office will conduct continuous trainings to support nga aron ang kining mga tao di na kuyawan mo gamit sa mga wallets. Yeah. Asa man na magikan ng wallet, asa man ta mag-cash in mga bangko. I hope po, mga murag, tanan man siguro, sir, online banking na naman tano, maka-transfer na ta. Kay kadaghanan sad, bangko, gamiton gyud ang banks kay aron sayon sa pagsubay. Di ba? Dili na ni himuon nilang bangko ang wallet. Himuon na nila nga anaa ilang activity. Una ay payment, hayahay pod ang operator, kay safe siya, kay nana siya accountant. Ang accountant niya, ang kini mga company, nga naghimo sa wallet, kay naman dito ang mga transaksyon. Mabasa man niya ang transaksyon. Pero iya ginang isituit, nga ang isud niya, gikan sa bangko, masubay niya. So, soon, people will understand the advantage of using the wallet. Munang desidido sa dintaon diri ang atong mga bangko nga mga manager sa bangko nakita nato. So we hope na with the help of course of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and the Now City is more than ready already because we have installed the very backbone of this program. We hope na by next year, including legislations, ma-ready na pod ang Danao to welcome the digital world. So kining amo, ako ron, ma'am, daning pananghid, kay malate na ko dito, late na yun ko, Director, Ma'am Jem, but ipa-arrange ta ni Mayor, and I think, mabalik to siya dayon, muari siya ninyo, no, muhapit siya ninyo. So, thank you very much. We welcome you to the Now City, especially ato mga bisita, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Jojo Roble, for that warm, heartfelt welcome, no? All right. It is true, ladies and gentlemen, that we are really happy to note to our financial service providers that our reach towards the barangay is more than ready. So we will be hoping to partner with the DILG as well as our financial service providers to conduct financial literacy trainings to our constituents also sa barangay na 1 kilometer, 5 kilometers away po from our city proper. So, palakpakan po natin ang Danao City. Ayan po. Now, to further inspire us this morning, ladies and gentlemen, both in words and in vision, let us all give a warm round of applause to welcome the Director of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas Visayas Regional Office. Palakpakan po natin, Ms. Ana Clara M. Ovil.
Thank you, JB. So, DJ Ace, di ay ni. So, sikat day ni kaayo. So, my staff knew about you. So, how you're good in speaking to the public. So, of course, mayong buntag sa tanan. Of course, to our Mayor, Mayor Dino Durano, of course, represented by Honorable Jose Thaddeus Robles Jr. I know busy mo, so it is nakasabot rasad mo kung unsa mo ka busy. So our esteemed city councilors nga naakaron dinhi nga where all this started because you really push this program that we have, this advocacy that we have. The ILG representative Ms. Gemma Bermoy, maayong buntag. LGU Danao Department and Section Heads, maayong buntag sa tanan. Barangay officials, colleagues from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, other fellow public servants nga naakaron dinhi, dili na mo man ako matagsa-tagsa, participating financial service providers, kanang thank you kay kung asami naa mo, so dili na pud nako matagsa-tagsa, but I know nga usata ni ini nga tanan. Partners and guests, especially entrepreneurs, public transport drivers, and market vendors, especially kamugyud ang bida sa karon nga nga activity nga karon nga ato ang programa. So maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Today is a milestone. Danao City is on its way to becoming a smart and financially inclusive city, now that it is part of the Paling QR PH Plus program. An estimated 853 vendors, daghan daigtik ta kaayo din hino. So ubay-ubay gyud, no? So maybe you're one of those city nga daghan kaayo. 853 vendors and 478 drivers and operators in Danao City. Warag kamoy hayas, no? Sila Barox, tama ba ko? Are expected to enjoy the benefits of this program, this Paling QR PH Plus program. And with the onboarding of Danao City, a component city in the province of Cebu, the Paling QR PH Plus program now has 197 local government units embracing digital transformation to improve not just payment experience but also our way of life. The technology we are using, the QR PH, is a game changer. It makes daily transactions convenient, safer, and cost-effective. Convenient, kay pinaagi sa QR PH, dili na nato kailangan magdala og cash kung asa ta mo adto mo palit no, mo bayad ta. Kay magamit na nato ang atong mga online payment. So katong mga market vendor safe sad kay kumbaga kung magbayad ang ato ang mga buyers, no, you don't need to check kung naabay peke because through online payment sakto-sakto ang musud sa inyong mga account. Safe kay pinaagi sa QRPH, malikayan nato ang posibleng pagtakod sa virus na para bagihapon si COVID, nagabalik-balik ka nato. So with QRPH, again, dili na nato kailangan mo kupot kay sad to say, ang atong mga kwarta usahay, mga higgo kaayo, hugaw, no? So that's one also of our initiative, that's one also of our advocacy to make to promote clean note policy. So with QRPH, online na ta, so we don't need to kupot sa kanang mga hugaw nga kwarta. And last but not the least, QRPH is cost effective. Kay pinaagi niini makatipid ta og oras og pamasahe. So kita nga mga addict sa mga K-drama, sa mga we are in the comfort of our home, magtan-aw tag YouTube, ug unsa pa din na mga Netflix, tan-aw og mga unsay mga current issues. So while nagahinambid ta, nagahigda-higda ta din we can pay our payables through online, through QRPH. Ug usa pa ang QRPH wala na magkinahanglan og mahal nga kagamitan or makinarya. Kinahanglan na nato i-display sa mga negosyante og tindera ang QRPH. So karon later maglibot ta sa atong mga tagsa-tagsa ka mga booth for those who still new to this program. Makita nato karon ang atong mga QRPH nga gi-display sa tagsa-tagsa ka mga table sa atong partners. And pwede sad mo musuway og palit sa mga display sa atong tagsa-tagsa ka mga booth. And these are just few of the many benefits people can enjoy from the Paling QRPH Plus program. And aside from that, for the information of the vendors and to the other stakeholders, we can open an account na di nato kailangan og maintaining balance. We can open an account with zero. So we have partners here. The banks can accommodate you later. Ma-open mong account, you just present your IDs, and you'll be given an account with zero deposit, initial deposit. Zero lang, you can have the account. So nagpasalamat kami sa local government, no, for Danao City, as mentioned kanina ni Konsehal Jojo, as we arrived and also as sa iyang speech, palangga kaayo mo sa inyong mga leaders din sa Danao. Kasi long before pa this program has been prepared for you. So ang pag-implement, na prepare na mo 6 years ago, kay sa among paglibot, no, introducing this Paling QRPH, ang yung challenge is connectivity. And we really appreciate Danao City to have a leaders nga giprepara gyud mo no, for this program. So dili na lisod sa inyo ha. No, dili na mo maingon nga ay dili mi ana ni paling QR page kay Y Signal kay naa na di ayta. And it was tested. Ganihan ning try ko pag ana nako naagadan ko yung signal. So sometimes I go to places, I go to mga outskirt areas nga mohulog kog 5 Gs, no? Para sa piso wifi. Unya sometimes pag dili pag yun siya mo activate. So no malugi pa ko. so how much katong uban nga muna na lang hulog og 5 pesos or just pesos kay para lang magka-signal kay na emergency. Unya dili pag yun mo activate. So Danawons, no, you have to thank your leaders in Danao. Kay ready na mo for this. So libre na inyong mga wifi and you don't have reason not to adopt the Paling QRPH. So let's continue to support this, the Paling QRPH, and mabuhi ang Danao, mabuhi ang Danawanon, Sidlak Danao, maayong buntag.
Daghang salamat, RD Ana. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we are very, very happy to note that of course we are slowly and of course surely, no, the Nawanons are already being recognized. Nya makita na gyud nila, no, og unsa ka sidlak ang Danao. Sidlak pa more Danao City. One more time, palakpakan natin ang Danao City and Danao City government. Alright, we're also live, no? Palakpakan din natin. Thank you very much, City Information Office, for having us live at our Danao City fan page. So sa mga nakakaroon sa balay, daghang salamat sa paglantaw-lantaw. Palakpakan natin ang CIO as well. Alright, we know many of us are curious, no, about what is the Digital Payment Initiative is all about. So now, may we please direct our attention to the screen for a short video presentation on the Paling QRPH Plus program. Please watch this.
Alam niyo na ba ang latest?
Ha? Ano yan?
Pwede na magbayad sa palengke sa iba't ibang pamilihan at pampublikong transportasyon kahit walang hawak na cash.
Talaga? Paano?
Ipinakikilala ang Paling QRPH Plus. Ang Paling QRPH Plus ay isang programang binuo ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas at Department of the Interior and Local Government sa pakikipagtulungan sa mga kalahok na financial service provider, pangungunahan ng mga local government unit ang implementasyon ng programa. Isinusulong nito sa mga palengke, pampublikong transportasyon, pati na rin sa iba pang mga pamilihan ang digital payments sa pamamagitan ng QRPH payment.
QRPH payment? Ano yan?
Ito'y uri ng pagbabayad gamit ang mga digital device katulad ng inyong cellphone. Iscan lang ang QRPH code gamit ang app ng inyong bangko o e-money issuer, mapapadala agad ang bayad para sa mga pinamili at pamasahe. Makasisiguro kang mas mabilis, eksakto at ligtas ang pagpapadala ng bayad. Ang dali lang, di ba? Bukod sa pagbabayad, ito pa ang iba pang benepisyo sa paggamit ng QRPH payment. Ito pa mga suki, hindi lamang mahalaga sa pagtatabi ng pera at sa paggamit ng digital payments ang pagkakaroon ng bank o e-money accounts. Magbibigay daan din ito para mapakinabangan natin ang mas maraming financial services na makakatulong sa pagkamit ng ating life goals. Ang galing, di ba?
Hashtag! Goals talaga!
Teka, mga may pwesto lamang ba sa palengke ang maaaring sumali sa Paling QRPH Plus?
Sabi nga ng BSP, let's get digital! Kaya hindi lang may mga pwesto sa palengke ang kasali sa programa, hinihikayat ding makilahok ang iba't ibang negosyo at mga driver ng pampublikong sasakyan katulad ng jeep, bus, taxi at iba pang lokal na uri ng transportasyon. Layunin kasi ng programa na mas lumawak sa mga komunidad ang paggamit ng QRPH payment.
Paano naman ako makakasali ang aming pwesto sa palengke sa Paling QRPH?
Mag-aanunsyo ang inyong lokal na pamahalaan ng kanilang pagsali sa programa. Maglalabas sila ng isang ordinansa na magsusulong sa paggamit ng QRPH. sa pagtutulungan ng mga QRPH ready na mga bangko at e-money issuer, mag-oorganisa ang mga lokal na pamahalaan ng account opening day. Maglalagay ang mga lalahok na financial service provider ng customer assistance booth para matulungang makapagbukas ng account ang mga tindahan at driver upang makatanggap ng QRPH payments mula sa mga customers. Magbibigay rin sila ng QR code printouts sa mga tindera at iba pang target users. Maaari ding magbigay ang mga financial service provider ng mga promo katulad ng libreng load sa mga lalahok.
Paano naman ang mga tulad kong mamimili at pasahero? Pwede rin ba kaming sumali?
Huwag kang mag-alala. Bukas ito hindi lamang sa mga tindera at driver ng papublikong transportasyon. Pwede ring sumali ang mga mamamayang nais magkaroon ng kanilang account. Dahil dapat, kabilang ang lahat. Kinilala ng Pangulo ang benepisyo ng cashless transaction at ang dumaraming local government unit na nagpapatupad ng paling QRPH Plus.
More and more systems are now digital and cashless, assimilating individuals, SMEs, even agricultural workers. These have expedited transactions and commercial exchanges and promoted the convenience of all parties. Ang paling QR ay isa sa mga programang unti-unting lumalakas. Ang hatak sa publiko at dumarami ang gumagamit.
Makipag-ugnayan sa inyong lokal na pamahalaan para malaman ng implementasyon ng paling QRPH Plus sa inyong lugar. At para sa karagdagang impormasyon tungkol sa paling QRPH Plus, bisitahin ang BSP website at mga official social media account nito. Sa paling QRPH Plus, siguradong mas mabilis at ligtas ang pagpapadala at pagtanggap ng pera.
Alright, palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen. Another good news po para sa ating partners, financial service providers, as well as BSP. We have achieved po a staggering 90% connection rate to the farthest barangay for free Wi-Fi as of to date. To 98% to Bayabas Barangay po, naanay free Wi-Fi sa Barangay Bayabas. Congratulations again, local government unit, sa ato ang mga department heads sa pagpatuman ini, labi na sa City Information and Communications Technology Office Intercon Division. Palakpakan din po natin sila. Alright, and now ladies and gentlemen, no, to Paling QRPH Plus program, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, in line with this and to show our city government's full commitment to the program. We have passed Ordinance Number 2024-35, effectively institutionalizing the Palang QRPH Plus here in Danao City. At this point, may we call our very active, and very supported City DILG Local Government Operations Officer, our beloved CLGOO, Ms. Gemma Bermoy, for her statement of support. Ladies and gentlemen, from DILG Danao, Ms. Gemma Bermoy.
Thank you, DJ Ace. Maayong buntag sa tanan. My respect to the local government officials, our local leaders of LGU Danao City, headed by our Honorable City Mayor Ramon Nito D. Dorano III. This is a big accomplishment for LGU Danao. And of course, my equally respect to our distinguished guest, Director Ana M. Avil, Regional Director of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Region 7, ma'am. Thank you for coming over. Gilantaw minimo diri. Okay, raming tanan, no? Yes, for that. Of course, equally respect to all the department heads, equally supportive to the operations of the local government units. Ma'am, naatanan dito, ma'am, ay gwapo-gwapa ming tanan. The department heads and the local functionaries, of course, I knew for a fact that The local banks are also here. Good morning to us all, partners in good governance. Everyone nga naa diri karon, maayong buntag sa tanan. PalingQR.ph Plus is a digital payment initiative implemented in local government units to promote cashless transactions in public markets and other businesses. Ako nang gi-quote nga meaning, ug unsa gyud ni, ila-ilaho na to si PalingQR Plus. Director, in support to this mandate, in line with Republic Act number 11032, otherwise known as the Ease of Doing Business and Efficient Government Service Delivery, Act of 2018, the DILG, Danao City, in partnership with our local leaders headed by Mayor Ramonito Dorano III, conducted a one-day rollout training on Barangay Information Management System, or the BIMS, to reduce bureaucratic red tape and processing time. So, with that, BIMS and PalingQR PH projects are but connected programs in terms of digitalization. While BIMS focuses on data bank management system, at the barangay level, PalingQR.ph plays a significant role in local government units by promoting digital payments and financial inclusion. Nag-evolve na po ang mundo. Ito, digital system, so that government and everyone will do their best to cope with this modernization process. Kung sa una, paper pa more, puno ang filing cabinet sa atong mga barangays, we now campaign for a paperless transactions through BIMS. Sama sa PalingQR PH, transactions move fast and simple. Both programs also promote transparency and accountability in local transactions, which is essential for good governance. So to end my message, on behalf of DILG, I humbly commend the efforts of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, RD Obel, and the local leaders of LGU Danao City, headed by our City Mayor Honorable Ramon Nito D. Dorano III, for these innovations. And I look forward to seeing its positive impact to our community's economic development and financial inclusion. SIDLAC Danao, here and now. LGU Danao is a recipient, by the way, RD, we are a recipient for for the Seal of Good Local Governance in CY 2022 and 2024. Ingana ka SIDLAC ang Danao. And sa message ni RD ganina, akong i-quote ha, gitest niya ang signal nato diri sa Danao. And it's best for her nga nakakuha siya dayon sa signal. Congratulations to us. But that is a very challenging statement. We have to sustain it. Kay ni-enter man ta, ato gyud ning parugan. So for the ILGRD, we are partners. Kay duha man to ka logo gipakita ganina kita, DILG and BSP. We commit to support this program. All of us, we are into this commitment, and with that, thank you very much, and good morning once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Gemma Bermoy, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, I can also guarantee that our local government, our department heads are all vote in para sa aning atong mga kauswagan no, sa matang sa teknolohiya o digitalisasyon. Alright? And now, once again, thank you kaayo ni Ma'am Gemma for inspiring us, especially to make us really in line or in tune with the national mandates from the DILG. And of course, we are very, very much committed, no? Ato ang mga local government heads na adin hipod. Karon ma'am, nagkahiusa gid mi kanunay nga magtambayayong para kitang tanan mag-uswag no sa matang sa digitalisasyon. We will now hear another meaningful statement of support, this time through a video message from the Governor of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and Chairman of the Monetary Board. Palakpakan po natin Dr. Ellie M. Remolona Jr.
Waters deep and wide, where vast marines and forests.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Today, we take another step toward bringing digitalization to communities and building a financially inclusive society. We're doing this through the Paleng QR PH Plus program. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and the Department of the Interior and Local Government enjoin local government units to promote quick response or QR code payments in their respective localities. This program aims to strengthen the financial resilience of Filipinos and help them maximize economic opportunities through inclusion in the formal financial system. By using the QRPH codes in daily payment transactions, business owners and their customers can expand their digital financial footprint. This will give them access to a wider range of financial services such as credit, savings, insurance, and investment. Just to mention the obvious benefit, QRPH offers a fast, convenient, and safe way to make and receive payments. It's been over a year since the Paleng QRPH Plus program was launched, but rest assured, the BSP will continue to support this program. We look forward to another successful rollout of the Paleng QRPH Plus program as it empowers your community and eventually the whole nation. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan.
All right, thank you very much, Governor Dr. Ellie M. Remolona Jr. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, ang atuang public market na sunog, no? Pila ka tuig ang nilabay. And of course, I'd like to commend the effort of our city planning officer, Sir Ramon Gore is over here. Palakpakan po natin. As well as our city engineering office from Rosette, that's also here. And our city administrator, Sir Oscar Rodriguez is here also. For a very proactive. Nakaroon ma'am, makita ninyo, ang atuang public market is really at around 60% na siya. O, palakpakan po natin silang lahat. And of course, the unified effort of our department heads. No? And of course, ang atuang very active na dire, HR nato, Ma'am Dana Canson, palakpakan po. Thank you very much for pushing us all the time to be very best of ourselves. All right. And now, ladies and gentlemen, again, we would like to thank the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and Department of Interior Local Government for your strong show of support for this transformative initiative. At this point in time, let us hear a message on behalf of our Vice Mayor, who is not be able to come here today, but extends his heartfelt support to this initiative. The local government of Danao City, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Danao City Administrator, Mr. Oscar Durano Rodriguez. Palakpakan po natin.
Mayong buntag, thank you JB for the introduction. Dr. Ellie Remolina, Chairman of the Monetary Board and of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Mr. Locadio Trovella, the Regional Director of the DILG, Region 7, Ms. Ana Clara Ovil, Regional Director, Visayas, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Ma'am Gemma of Danao DILG, City Councilors, fellow City Department Heads, fellow public servants, fellow Danawanons, masidlakong buntag ninyong tanan. In behalf of Honorable Vice Mayor Carmen Remedios Ivy Durano, we wish to thank you all for making Danao City one of the 180 local government units across the country to adopt the Paleng QR PH program, which is a joint venture of the DILG and the BSP to push for cashless, safer, and more inclusive local transactions. This supports the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to advance inclusive and sustainable development at the grassroots. This is also in line with our beloved Mayor Nitos and Vice Mayor Ivy's mission and vision on our city's developmental agenda of connectivity, weaving together communities, institutions, and opportunities for inclusive growth. Paleng QR PH empowers the LGUs to shift to digital payments in public markets and local transportation. This is timely as the new Danao City Market is envisioned by our city officials to be opened next year, being touted as the smart Danao City Market. From market vendors and sari-sari store owners to tricycle drivers and daily commuters, the program promotes the use of QRPH as a fast, safe, and convenient option through mobile devices. Thank you again for our facilitators and partners, the DILG and the BSP, and thank you to my fellow Danawanons. Again, masidlakon kabuntagon sa tanan.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we'd like to thank also the partner na inatasan ng BSP also to help us on board. 800 market vendors and 400 na atong mga vehicles or mga public utility vehicles. Palagpakan po natin ng GCash. Sir Ronnie, Ma'am D, salamat po. We a total of 1,200 plus na po ang atuang and counting ang atuang mga naay QRPH plus as of today. Palakpakan po natin ang lahat. All right. As of this juncture, I'd like to request our department heads, led by our beloved Ma'am Dana Canzon, to please be on stage, and of course, Sir Oscar Rodriguez, to join us on here for the exchange of tokens, ladies and gentlemen. No, and a presentation of tokens from Danao City to the BSP. I would like to invite also again Sir Oscar Rodriguez and our beloved department heads to be on stage right here and now. Konting music naman para sa kanilang pagpasod din pa doon sa stage, no? To please join Sir Buying on stage to present our tokens of appreciation to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, led by BSP Director Ana Clara M. Ovil. Our sequence will be as follows. BSP, all BSP, we'd also like to invite everybody here, Ma'am Ana, with our LGU department heads and section leaders. Ato sa tagag masibang pakpak, our market division head, Ma'am Marley Salingua. Ma'am, palakpakan rin si Ma'am Marley for also helping us to organize our vendors this day.
Then now is truly the best place to be.
We can also have here Ma'am Ams. Hi Ma'am Ams. Business permit natin, palakpakan natin. Ito po very important also. Please join us, Ma'am. Yes po. Kayo po muna, Ma'am. Sir, all BSP, Ma'am Ana first and then all BSP. We also have our Sports Development Officer, Sir Paulo, Sir Mario of our Agriculture, Ma'am Lorna sa Treasury, our vet, City Vet. Palagpakan po natin mga department heads. Ang dami po nila.
There's tasting good food for you. In the now, there's a
Ovil, Ma'am Clara, Finance. Dito po kayo, ma'am. Come here po. Everybody on board. Let's go.
Crafted with passion, the beauty and smiles of all the
Alright, ato ni...
things vibrant and colorful. The wonders of the city.
Yeah.
Then now is truly the best place to be.
After which, please stand by. Ato ang mga financial service providers, no? Alright, palakpakan natin. All together. Sama na lang ako.
The pride of our great nation. Ikaw at ikaw. City's beauty shines here and now. Water place like
Once again, palakpakan po natin Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and our City Department Head of Offices. And now, I would like to request our Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas to please stand by. And our LGU Danao official, Sir Oscar Buing Rodriguez, for photo up with our financial service providers. Can we like to ask our financial service providers to come up on stage? Okay. All right, Ma'am Gemma, also can we please have you on stage, ma'am, to join with us, ma'am? All right, sige.
the most exciting.
Si Ma'am Gemma, of course, our very active DILG Operations Officer. Ito po, at this moment in time, commemorative token from BSP po to the Now City Government received by our Honorable City Administrator Buing Rodriguez alongside our DILG Officer, Ma'am Gemma. Ma'am, can we have you here, ma'am? Ma'am Gem, over here. For the offering of the special to, no? On a banknote, ladies and gentlemen, from the BSP to the local government unit. Palakpakan po natin ang BSP. Mabuhi ang BSP and the Now City Government. Alright, one more time. Thank you so much, DILG, BSP, for giving us this opportunity. And then we would like to request now to stay behind po muna kayo dito, ma'am. Our LGU department heads and our financial service providers for the photo op again. At saka I'd like to also announce, no, na wag po tayong aalis because commemorating po, and we will also follow the currency exchange partner pledge of commitment po for the Piso Caravan. So wag po tayong aalis. Lunch will be here po for everybody.
Cuba waters deep and wide, where vast marine sanctuaries reside. For the wonders of the city, then now is truly the best place to be. Oh, the now, here now, the most exciting destination. Oh, the now, here
Alright, palagpakan po natin, mabuhi ang local government of the Now City and PSP as well as our financial service partners. Alright. So karong takna mga kauban, ato ang mga LGU heads, o kitang tanan, ato anong duawon ang ato mga vendors na naadri karon na naay QRPH ug testingan nato ang ato ang QRPH Plus. Okay, I'd like to invite everybody, our local government heads, and our guests, no, to please join Ma'am Ana Clara Ovil to go around our vendors and try out our QRPH. Okay, matistingan taginiron. So we have our Danao City free Wi-Fi po. You can simply connect, and we'd like to encourage everybody to please log on to your digital payment platforms and channels to please try the QRPH Plus out of this juncture. Kung pwede po natin i-request ating mga department heads now to go around the vendors. Ayan po, mandyan na po natin mga kaibigan, ang ating mga heads po ngayon, mga igsuon with Ma'am Ana Clara Ovil. Would like to have them to go and tuyuko nato ato ang mga vendors here to simulate. Tanaw nato mga kaigsuonan ang ato ang and of course Sir Buying right now is escorting Ma'am Ana over here. And of course, Ma'am Gemma, thank you so much, Ma'am Gem. I know you're very busy pa. May input po kayo. Thank you very much. I'd like to invite our partners and our department heads to please join Ma'am Ana over there po for the simulation. I'd like to request every department heads
OSP, Ma'am Cheryl. Nako, napaka-aktibo ng ating OSP, no? Ordinance sa aning atong QR page since March pa po ng 2025. At kaya na po natin na lunch. Dagang salamat, Ma'am Cheryl and Office of the Sangguniang Panglungsod for the proactivity in having our ordinance. Again, would like to request our department heads to open your platforms, try and scan the QR codes that of our vendors here, no? Ako lang ning mga ipang makita diri karon kuha na ron, nagatuyok na ron, escorted by our very own city administrator, Sir Buing Rodriguez, si Ma'am Ana, simulating our QRPH Plus QR codes with our vendors. Atong tagaag masipang pakpak nga atong mga vendors, ladies and gentlemen. So everybody po in our events area, we will be having our lunch here today. So stand by po for all other announcements po, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, congratulations DILG, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and City of Danao for a successful Paleng QRPH Plus launching here of the City of Danao.
As clear and bright as a daylight, the now remains a pleasing sight. The wonders within the city capture the hearts of those who see. From the fresh air, blue skies and more, to the crystal clear waters you explore. The mountains that are towering, the lush green forests are calling. A destination like no other. Let's experience the now together. Danao, more than ready, looking towards greater height. Danao, more than ready, soaring high and taking flight. Forward to becoming greater, transformed and beautiful as ever. The city is the best place to be. Behold the now, more than ready. The now, more than ready. Oh, the now, more than ready. Oh, the now, more than ready. Oh, the now, more than ready. Let our cravings be satisfied with all the good food day and night. A lot of local products crafted, we will surely be delighted. The smiles of local Danawanons, the skills, talent and passion, all of these build a better city, stronger and always ready. A destination like no other. Let's experience the now together.
So, LGU officials and employees, you can scan your QR code. Meron pong mga offers ang ating mga partners if you do that today. And we also have scan the wheel, no, for BSP if you transact with our vendors over here karong adlaw. So we would like to invite everybody with our platforms. You can get perks na may mga offers from our financial service providers. Thank you very much, Kuya Roland Laping of Terminal. Alright. And of course, pwede po no, nga mo scan, simulate right now, and we have a chance to win prizes from our financial service providers. We'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our friends from DTI Negosyo Center. Hello, ma'am! DTI is also a very, very solid partner of LGU Danao. Thank you, DTI.
Like no other. Let's experience the now together. The now, more than ready, moving towards greater heights. The now.
So as you can see on the screen, ladies and gentlemen, our market soon to open 2026. Palakpakan po natin Excited po tayo and a very, very praying. Daghang salamat no, sa ato ang mga department heads labi na ang City Planning Office, our City Engineering Office, our City Treasury Office, Ma'am Lorna Morales, our City Budget Office, Ma'am Evelyn, City Accounting Officer Jovi Dagatan for making this solid, soon to rise, the Danao City Smart Public Market 2026.
Up in the sky, reveals the beauty and the night. The city where joy radiates, light of love and peace illuminates. Majestic mountains are calling, lush green forests are captivating. The clear blue waters deep and wide, where vast marine sanctuaries reside.
Para sa ato mga empleyado, pwede na mo mag-apply og account diri sa lain-lain nga mga financial service providers karon naa diri. And if you are able to scan the QR code and simulate ang QRPH natay perks, no? Kasakamtangang higayon nag booth hopping right now si RD Ana and si Sir Buying sa ato ang mga financial service providers. We are very, very honored and happy to have Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas visit us here at our humble city.
Here and now, they're tasting good food for you. In the now, there's a lot to do. The adventure awaits everyone. The activities bring so much fun. The skilled and talented and one owns local products crafted with passion. The beauty and smiles of all the people make the place vibrant and colorful. For the wonders of the city, and now is truly the best place to be. Oh, and now, the most exciting destination. Oh, and now, truly a pride of our great nation. Kita mag-ikaw ng city's beauty shines here and now. No other place like the now. With God's grace, a city flourishes. Fast-growing trade and businesses.
So we would like to announce no mga market vendors na gustong mo avail sa financial service providers sa mga offers. Kali nakita din no from bangko na negosyo o loan. I think there are also loans from different banks as well depending sa preference nato. No? Nasa sila yung mga freebies sa mga ganing simulate o ni-try, no? Ato ang mga dakotoda na QRPH. So kung wala kay sinsiyo, wala, pwede na kang muskan sa QR code para mo pliti sa atong dakotoda. We'd like to acknowledge also ato ang mga vendors kaning representar sa mga public market nato, no? Agnes Store, Rosie Store, An Dried Fish, Janet Cakes, SKR Marketing, ang atong dakotoda, ang mga sir. Daghang salamat sir. Cathy's Flower Shop, Nene Store, and J&M Frozen Goods. Our president po sa market. Hello ma'am. Ma'am Vanessa. Daghang salamat ma'am. Treasury sa ato ang Market Vendors Association. Thank you so much ma'am Van. All right. So as of this juncture, we have RD Ana Serboying going around the booths. Palawan Pay, hello! Maya is also here today. Banco Loan. Ayan na po, Afford the Gold. Aba, ayan, parang dyan nag-stick yung aking mata. Gold ba yan? Talagang Afford the Gold. Ha? Pwede nang bumili ng gold. Ayan. Ato ni Suroyon, bit, tagsa ni sila. Naano ako kaya, kay gold eh. Afford the Gold. Abot kayang high quality gold, pwede na kayong bumili. Investment po ito. 1G 24 karat gold, 2G 24 karat gold, and 3G 24 karat gold. Aba, ibang klase, Palawan Pay. Dagang salamat. So you can actually buy gold and then later on, you can actually resell it and buy another gold. Di ba? Ganun dapat kayo mag-isip. Mindset. Bumili na kayo ng gold sa Palawan Pay. Ayan po. Of course, Pay Maya. Of course, we have here lahat ng mga gusto hindi po marunong mag-install. Andito po sa si Maya. Load bills, cash in, gaming pins, send money, and remittance. Our Banco BPI. Banco, subsidiary of BPI, Bank of Philippine Islands. Negosyo loan. 15,000 hanggang 500,000. Walang collateral. Mabilis. 1 to 5 days ang approval. Mababa ang hulog. At exacto to po. 673 kada linggo. 15,000 loan. Avail na po kayo. Ato ning ablihan karon kay up to 12 lang ang atuang mga booth, no? But we might extend a little bit kung daghan mo duso diri ninyo, ma'am. We will open the gates po mamaya-maya. Okay, thank you so much, Banco. Our subsidiary of the Bank of the Philippine Islands. Alright. Just one valid ID, open ang account. Di ba? Bongga. Land Bank of the Philippines, Ma'am Jem, hello. Marami po tayong mga programa, no? For OptiSaver Plus, hello. Ay, ang Asmin niya.
Tara na sa bangko.
Picture. Piso Plus natin for non-bank, zero maintaining balance, zero initial deposit. So, tanan pwede nang mag-land bank. Also. Alright, thank you so much. We also have, thank you po Ma'am Jem, thank you po. Our PNB also, sobrang lakas nito. PNB also is also here with us today. Bank the digital way. They have also our platform with the multi-awarded customer service and QRPH po. Pwede na po tayo with no fees. Ayan, sobrang galing. So if you want to check out, PNB is also with us here today. Pwede po kayo mag-apply ng accounts, tama? And credit cards. Sa mga gusto dyan, napakadali po ang buhay pag may credit card. Opo, apply po kayo. Ayan. Okay. Sige po. Thank you so much, PNB, for being here today. Salamat po, ma'am. All right.
Dito sa bangko.
And of course, our DTI is also here. Business natin, registration and assistance, business information advocacy. Andito po yung ating DTI Negosyo Center for you. Marami pong mga nindot na mga balita para sa mga negosyante. Ayan po. And the program Negosyo Center. Alright. So bubuksan natin sila mamaya. Thank you very much, ma'am. Hi, CIO, City Information Office. Hi, Shim. So nagbo-booth hopping na din po ako ngayon. Andito din po natin ang GCash. No, the FSP sa lahat ng financial service providers, sila po ang inatasan na mag-partner for the launching of PH Plus here, QRPH Plus here at Danao City. So meron po silang booth dito. You know GCash for sure. Thank you very much GCash for onboarding 1,200 business, and vendors and Dakotodas here in Danao City. And more na pohon. Musta kayo magpinikab, kuya? Paskan ng QR code. Ganon! And of course, our friends and family from Metro Bank. Hello, ma'am. Ayan, of course, we have a lot of good news from Metro Bank here. My HealthMax Insurance, pwedeng magbukas ng account. And of course, they are located po doon tapat ng ating provincial hospital. So wag po kayong magpaano atubili. Kung naamo diha karon ma'am, daghang mga maayo kayong balita sa mga bangko karon. Nganong naamo mo nagtan-aw diha pangari mo sa Civic Center. Okay. Daghang salamat ma'am. Metrobank family. And RCBC. Uy, danawanon ni. Oo. Kamos din ha. Oh. RCBC. Marami po tayong good news also for RCBC, kuya. Lahat po ng mga meron po din tayong platform for RCBC. So lahat ng mga bangko, pati RCBC, you can transact, gamit ang platforms nila online, with the QRPH. Oh, di sa una lain na QR code, lain na bangko. Karon usa na lang ka QRPH. So may yung ATM Go naman ang pinagmamalaki ngayon po ng ladies and gentlemen ng RCBC One Account Business. Para sa mga business owners dyan, labi na kamong nainegosyo. Pangari mo din sa Civic Center, kay naa sila. Limited time offer lang ang mga financial service providers. So you must be here. Isingot jud ko, Ipaningot jud ko, kuya. Alright. Ito po yung aming Eric, ng Danao City. Ang ganda po ng boses nito, napaka-humble lang. Kuya, schoolmate namin sa STS. Shout out sa Tomas School, Danao. Kuya, thank you po. Alright. And of course, GoTime. We have GoTime over here, GoTime Bank. You can download the Time Bank as well. QRPH na din po siya. May mga freebies sila kada booth. So dapat kamo, kung buari mo karon, maka-freebies mo basta mo palit mo with the QRPH. Ganun lang. Simplihan lang natin. GoTime PH po, naandito po sila ngayon din to cater everything. And we also have Security Bank. Ayan po, ladies and gentlemen. Meron po tayong Car for Cash. Business mortgage loan, credit card, business express loan. Express, dali ra kay ka makuha loan. Karong adlaw kung nakakadiha, nganong na makadiha. Ari na ron. Di ba? Ganun lang yun. Naging salamat. Security Bank, ladies and gentlemen. Meron ba bang partners na hindi ko na? Ito po, itong booth na to, ang pinaka-importante po sa event na to. Ayan po si Joseph Salingua po, City Information Office, covering our PH Plus launching in the City. Palakpakan natin. Digital palakpak sa ating mga taga-CIO. Bongga, back to you. Andito na ang booth ng ating BSP. Halika, Kuya Arnel. Hi, sir. Oy, atos ang palakpakan natin mga otoridad, ha? O talagang nakalatad at secured po ang lahat ng bangko ngayon dahil andito ang ating PNP. And ito po, thank you very much, PNP. Naadiri mga igsuon, they have a booth also ang Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Maghatag sila mga giveaways sa mga mutransak. Mutransak lang ka, mapalit ka dito na kay free will. Maka-win kag nindot kay nga mga items. Di ba po nga? Yakin mga wasilay booth pero ang Sikto office pod, nasa sila diri. Alright. Hi, Attorney Eds. Very shy na si Attorney Ed. RD, okay lang po ba? Kumusta naman po, RD?
Naagi sa Maya.
Beautiful ako po, pero ngarag na ako. RD Ana Ovil po, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. We're live po the Danao City Government page. Nagipagkulitan lang ako, RD. Ayan po, live na po. Thank you very much. Sige po.
Help on our back-end reconciliations, better reporting programs so that all collections and remittances are properly accounted for.
This 2025, yung directions talaga namin is to encourage pa, dagdagan pa namin yung mga participating stores. So thankful kami sa program, especially sa part ni Unilever at saka sa partner na Maya.
It's really helping team sales future-proof ourselves and be sure that we are ready to become a better company in an ever-growing industry.
And then, ito sa Singapore. Yes, ma'am. Then 5 years po akong ban muna. Hindi ako pwede mag-private, mag-public or whatever. So,
Problema sa e-wallet? Ano ba yan? No problem with my second wallet, Palawan Pay. Maaasahan. Anytime, anywhere. Napatunayan ko na yan. Ipalawan mo na yan. Happy to serve you! Nagsimula ako bilang extra. Ngayon, bida na. Dahil may gumabay at nagtiwala. Tulad ng bangko, gabay at partner sa pag-asenso. Dito, tayo ang bida. May Bangko Mare at Bangko Pare na gagabay sa'yo for your savings, loan, at insurance needs na mas pinadali sa mobile app. Powered pa ng BPI. Daang libo na ang napaasenso. Tara na sa bangko! Nag-aalangan mag-loan pang negosyo? Hindi ka na. Dito sa bangko, magnegosyo ko loan. May Bangko Mare at Bangko Pare naggagabay sa'yo. Simple ang requirements, low ang interest, at fast ang approval. Kaya daang libo na ang umasenso. Apply na! Visit the Bangko branch or download the app. Sa bangko, may ngiti ang bukas mo.
I am Roel B. Gustilo. I'm 53 years old. I am the Sales Operations Director of Sonic Sales and Distribution Incorporated. We are based here in Davao City.
My name is Lance Xavier King, but I'm more known as Cholo. No? So I am currently the General Manager for Team Sales and Promotions Incorporated. Team Sales is actually a pioneer in this industry and has been here for 33 years now. Going to 34 this 2025.
I'm Margarito Batelante Pretal Jr., a native of Pototan, Iloilo. I'm at 22 years na sa company, working with Team Sales and Promotion Incorporated, assigned here in Capiz.
Sonic Sales has been in the distribution business for 21 years. Our main pain points in this business is the cash handling risk that we experience every day.
May incident kami na nagamit nila yung cash remittance nila.
It's really hard to have cash transactions, especially within the provinces or areas outside of centers. So there's really a danger involved with these transactions.
So yung mga pain points na na-encounters namin, number one is return delivery. Yung productivity ni ahente, nababawasan talaga. Tsaka ang daming mga transactions na nag-create ng hamper sa amin due to return delivery.
Number 2, fake money. Number 3, extended payment versus the established terms.
Always risky, especially for new accounts or even accounts that are smaller in scale. It is very risky to even extend terms to these accounts. But sometimes we have to for the sake of performance, for growth, for sales. It's for the opportunity.
Number 4, non-payment of AR.
As you extend terms to these accounts, your liquidity is affected, your cash flow is affected because kailangan mo pa magbigay ng terms, ng credit to them. Meanwhile, to the principal, you're paying on time, of course. Maya has really lessened the impact of the safety concerns, especially because the transactions become cashless. So collections become cashless.
Maya actually help us in reducing the risk of cash handling of our field sales personnel.
Maya has taken some of the risk for us in terms of giving out loans, especially to these smaller enterprises, no?
Nakatulong po sir si Maya kasi po mas mapabilis ko po ang pag-process sa mga payments ko at saka pag na-short po ako sa cash, andyan naman si Maya.
In the future, pwede na ko siya magamit, mag-loan ko, pang doon ng kapital sa kong tindahan sa para dili ko maglisod. Then mapadako pa po na akong business tungod sa loan na Maya.
We are now able to accept credit card payments.
And of course, the liquidity, as Maya gave us access to these terminals, which allowed us to be paid already while customers get to enjoy credit terms, no?
Maya credit na dako kayo og tabang pangdagdag og kapital labaw na sa among tindahan labon pangbayad sa amo ang Unilever product.
This partnership with Maya actually will close the loop of the digitization program of Unilever Philippines as a payment option.
These three things, as in, really helped us in ensuring our finances were on track, especially in this ever-growing industry.
Isip usa ka sari-sari store owner, gusto na ako na ipalambo ang ako ang negosyo. So pinaagi sa Maya, ako ang negosyo mas mo lambo pa.
So we are looking forward to do more program with you, Maya. More than the services, I think what we need right now is help on our back-end reconciliations, better reporting programs so that all collections and remittances are properly accounted for.
This 2025, yung directions talaga namin is to encourage pa, dagdagan pa namin yung mga participating stores. So thankful kami sa program, especially sa part ni Unilever at saka sa partner na Maya.
It's really helping team sales future-proof ourselves and be sure that we are ready to become a better company in an ever-growing industry.
Thank you very much. I'd like to ask our local government heads to please join us for here now at the front, as well as our FSP officials, our president nato sa Dakotoda, ato mga FSP vendors, our mga naadinino, so we can open our buffet para sa atong lunch, no? Yes.